Morning 早安 Welcome to Morning Mandarin 我是 Jojo The election day 选举日 is here Today I'll show you several ways how Chinese people call Donald Trump Just a little disclaimer This is a purely educational video I'm going to explain all the Chinese names and the reason behind them So the official translation for Donald Trump is 唐纳德特朗普 It's a transliteration, meaning that it's completely based on the pronunciation. Donald, 唐纳德 Trump, 特朗普唐纳德特朗普 If you hear this name, no meaning is intended. It's just a name. It's the official one that is used in the news. There's actually a more favored translation, 川普 Trump, 川普 This one sounds a lot more similar, right? Other than the similar sound, 川普 is more commonly used also because it has a meaning. The Mandarin of Sichuan. In Sichuan province, people speak Sichuan dialect. When Sichuan people try to speak Mandarin but with a heavy accent, people make jokes about it. Say it's the Sichuan version Mandarin. 四川普通话川普 for short. The name 川普 is so commonly used on the internet that if you type in 川普 in Google Translation, it shows up Trump.
Trump.
Try it out yourself. A while into his presidency, 川普gained his first nickname, 外号. It's called 特不靠谱. It comes from his official name, 特朗普. 靠谱 means reliable, that you can trust someone to accomplish something. 他是一个靠谱的人，可以放心交给他。So the opposite of 靠谱 would be 不靠谱。Super 不靠谱 would be 特不靠谱。谁特不靠谱 Now the next 外号 is getting even funnier. 川建国这是什么梗 So 建国 means to build or construct the country. It is actually a very common male name in the 40s, around the time that the current Chinese government was established. So you may see many men of our grandpa's age named 建国. It's a very, very Chinese name. So why was he given this name? People think that as the president, his actions and words make America look worse. And some measures he made towards China actually helped bring Chinese people together. To quote from an editor's Twitter, "You can make America eccentric and thus hateful for the world. You help promote unity in China, and you also make international news as fun as comedy. Chinese netizens call you 建国, meaning help to construct China." By the way, there's also a joke about him using Twitter as the method to run the country. 推特治国川建国用推特治理国家的人推特治国 Okay, the last 外号董王董 understand 王 king I'll give you a second to think about this one. Got it? Here's the answer.
Nobody knows this stuff better than me.
Nobody knows more about construction than I do. Nobody knows consultants better than me.
I know these people much better than you do.
I know more about renewables than any human being on earth.
Nobody knows more about polls than me.
I know more about courts than any human being on earth.
Nobody knows more about banks than I do.
Nobody knows more about trade than me.
I understand the system better than any.
Nobody knows the game better than me. Nobody knows politicians better than me. I understand the tax laws better than almost anyone.
Who knows more about lawsuits than I do? I'm the king, too. I'm the king.
Alright, that's it for today. Which 外号 do you like the most and why? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like. 我们下周见。